Hi everyone! So I am not a YouTuber, but I decided to make this short little video for my friends who are parents and also for anyone who is interested in turning an old IKEA coffee table into a DIY play kitchen. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I posted a few pictures of this play kitchen in a Dollarama DIY crafts and hacks group that I recently joined on Facebook, and to my surprise, a lot of people actually really liked it. So I know it's far from perfect, but hopefully it'll give you a few ideas if you're interested in making something similar. So in this video, I'll just show you quickly how I put this together and the materials that I used to make this. Okay, so the first thing, of course, I started out with is the LACK, L-A-C-K IKEA table. I think they sell it for $29.99. Of course, you can use any table you want, and I am in no way affiliated with IKEA, but I just happen to have this old table that is the perfect height for my 18-month-old toddler. Then I found this marble paper at Dollarama, which I found out from the Facebook group. It's $1.25, and I used 2 rolls of this. I actually found it in the kitchen section because it is a, I guess, drawer liner and a shelf liner. Okay. So I'll just talk a little bit about this oven, which is my son's favorite part. He absolutely loves just opening and closing it. So the paper on the outer part is just this shimmery paper, which again I got from Dollarama. And I love it because even though it's shimmery, the sparkles don't come off at all. And then for the handle, I just used a piece of cardboard and stuck some pieces of cardboard together, as you can see. And the paper that I used is this metallic paper. Again, from Dollarama, $1.75, you get 20 sheets. And besides the silver paper, it also comes in 2 different colors, as you can see here, like the gold. For the inside of the oven, I just used a piece of plastic that I got from a spinach box. So I just removed the sticker, washed it, and cut out a piece that fit right here. And then I stuck a piece of cardboard over that just to make sure that's really secured, glued it down, and used some duct tape to reinforce it. So I also used some magnetic tape from Dollarama so that the oven can open and close easily. Okay. I really lucked out in that I was able to find this perfect box that fit exactly in this shelf. It's actually so snug that you can't really pull it out at all. For these little buttons, again, I use the same metallic paper, and they are actually made from bottle caps. So the bottle caps I got from these little bottles of free baby formula that I happen to have, and I just wrapped the paper over it. For the stove top, I used 4 wooden circles that I got again from Dollarama. I painted it in black, and then I outlined it with a silver marker, and then I put a piece of adhesive clear contact paper on top just to protect it, so if water gets on, it doesn't really damage the wood. Okay, and then this is the sink. It's made of very simple, just 2 plastic containers, again from Dollarama. And you can also obviously reuse these containers, and one is a little bit smaller than the other, so you can easily take it out to empty the water. And the bottom one is stuck onto the table, so it doesn't move. And I just stuck it with hot glue gun. It seems to be holding up pretty well so far. Of course, if you need to, you can use stronger glue. And then for this water pump here, which actually squirts water, I just happen to have a empty water bottle. I just took the sticker off. You can, of course, reuse any water bottle that you want, but obviously you want to make sure that the container, if you're reusing one, has not contained anything that is toxic or can be harmful for your baby. And then I really lucked out because I happen to have this peanut butter jar that I stuck to the table, so it is pretty secure and it doesn't move, and it fits perfectly, as you can see. Okay, so I think that's it for the DIY part. So I'm just gonna really quickly talk about the accessories. So this basket, you guessed it, is from Dollarama, and it's to store all of his playthings. And then I also made this from a tomato paste can. So super easy. I just make sure there's like no cut, like rough edges or metal edges. And then I just like took the lid off, put a piece of cardboard on top, and then sealed it with duct tape and also glue gun glue. Okay. So here I have a little hook, and I just bought this little dishcloth from the dollar store. And then these are from IKEA. They are actual drinking cups for kids, so of course you can use them for real. And I think it's a pack of 6 for $1.99. They also include a pink and I think yellow cup as well. Same with the plates. And then this dish drying mat is also from IKEA. I think it was about $3. I just love the color. And my toddler actually isn't old enough, or tall enough, I should say, to reach this pump. So he can't really do the dishes yet. But when he is old enough and if he wants to, he can use this as a drying mat. For now, we use it. And then this little basket is from Dollar Tree for $1.25. And this wooden cutting board is also from Dollarama. I think it was about $1. Same thing with these little mugs from the dollar store. I think they are so cute. And this is also one of my son's favorite things to play with, these little mugs right here. This wooden box is actually a pencil holder, so I got it from the stationery section of Dollarama. These little matching utensils are from IKEA. I think it was like $1.99 for a pack of 18 utensils. So they come with forks, spoons, and knives, and also there's the pink and the yellow that they come in. These little play utensils are also from IKEA. Same thing with the pots and the pans. Now this is actually a cup holder from Dollarama, so you can actually hang your little mugs there if your child is done playing with this. And if you want to clear some room, you can move this around, and then you can use this little space here for your child to cut up their little pretend vegetables. So I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.